Imagine creating a digital version of yourself that talks, walks, and even gestures without a camera. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it for free. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT, create an account if you don't have one, and click on add photo or add image, and then please place the image you want to add. And once the image has been loaded, you like this. Give me a prompt to create. No, let's me like this. Give me a prompt to create a realistic AI avatar for this image. For this image. Then light. Make the avatar realistic or beautiful and consistent. And click on press on the arrow, and ChatGPT will go ahead and give you the prompt. And as you can see, this is a prompt to create the image that is similar, or the avatar that is similar to your photo, and paste it and head over to piclumen AI and just claim your 10 points that you are given 10 points each and every day, and click on create icon, the second icon, and now describe your image. You paste your prompt there. Then under image, you just say aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16 if you want a short form video image if you want 2 images or 1 images to be created by time. And then under model, you choose piclumen at v1 and click on send or create, and it takes some seconds to create this image. If you have watched this video so far, give this video a like please, and subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. Okay, as you can see, it is loading, and you can see our image have been created. They have created for us 2 images. Now you need to choose one out of them or go with them all. As you can see, this is the first and this is the second. According to me, I like the first one because of the facial expressions and eye contact. I like the first one than the second one. You can see the second one, the way they is assigned, but the first one, she has a good eye contact and she is have good expressions. And then click on download, and it will be saved on your device. After saving it, go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt you use to create the image. That's the same prompt you're going to animate this image with. Head over to PixVerse AI. This we are going to animate it. Click on upload image. Choose the image you want to animate. Click on that image, and then under image, something about the image, just paste in the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Paste in your prompt there. Click on paste, and after pasting your prompt there, everything will be fine. After that, you just click on create, and they use 20 credits doing that. Remember, you're given 60 credits for every day, so all these tools are free. Okay, now you can see it is downloading. It is 95% downloaded, and it will be completed with some seconds. And while your video is ready, click on it. As you can see, our video is good. The movement, the camera movement, the eye contact, everything is good, and I love it. Remember guys, to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Click on download and download with watermark. I will later show you how to download or to add the watermark. Okay, the next step is to add the audio and lip syncing. You're going to use Dreamface for this. You just click on Dreamface, create an account if you don't have one. You can create an account using email or your Google account. You just click on try it now, and you can see there is sign up and login, and you can see you can log in with your Google or email address. After creating an account, you just come here to the plus icon there. You click on plus. After clicking on plus, you place or you just select the video you want to lip sync and add audio. Just click on it, click on that video. Okay, remember to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. I will remind you again and again, like this video, and after downloading the video, click on want avatar to say, that icon, want avatar to say, click there, want avatar to say, just click on it. Remember, it is true because I have a free account. After that, you can see you can add the text and also you can add the audio. But for me, I'll go with upload the audio or record. I will record the audio. Just click on record the audio and you record your audio. And after recording the correct audio, you just click on generate, and it will generate for you audio and lip syncing for your video. As you can see, it has done it for me. It takes some time, and you can see just click on it and see my video have been animated. Lip syncing, audio and everything is fine, it's good. You can see it is now 11 seconds long and it was 5 seconds long. That's why they are repeating it twice. I hope you enjoyed this video. This result, you just click on download. Just click on download and save it on your device. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's meet in the next video. I know you love it. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and just hit that bell notification. Let's meet in the next one.